Should pregnant women be able to park in handicapped parking spots? This is a huge controversy in Florida right now that just passed a law on that very topic.
Women who are pregnant in the state of Florida can get a temporary handicap parking spot.
So this law is based on another similar law that already exists in Illinois, where women in their third trimester of pregnancy specifically are eligible for these parking placards.
But the Florida law actually lets women at any stage of pregnancy have them. And they last for a whole year, which Florida lawmakers say was important to them since the first and the fourth trimester can be as hard as the third.
But a lawsuit filed by a disabled Florida resident says that this is against the law. Specifically, she says that this violates the ADA, which has particular requirements for the number of parking spots that businesses are required to reserve for people with disabilities, and that the way the ADA defines disabilities would not include pregnancy by itself. Basically, the lawsuit says that Florida's law is unfair because it expands who can use handicap spaces without requiring that businesses add more spaces, which limits the accessibility of these spots for people with disabilities who need them.
Very big difference between necessity and convenience.
And if Florida's law has the overall effect of denying people with disabilities handicap spots, then it could be a violation of the ADA.
Florida lawmakers would say, no, the ADA just sets the number of handicap spots that are required to exist. It doesn't decide who's eligible to use them or not.
Either way, the law does seem to have tons of support.
So many women in Florida have reached out. They just really appreciate that the state is standing with them.